Hello, lovely Dylusionists. How are you? I'm here in my Midwest office at Stampers Anonymous, and I just thought I would bring you the news of 2 new weekends that I will be doing here. Okay, I'm going to release. I'm going to release both weekends at once. So one is in May, and one is in July. Okay, so that I'm not doing 2 back to back. It's just I'm fitting them in between shows. So the first one is going to be, where have I written it there? May the 2nd, 3rd and 4th. So that's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, okay, of May. It's here at Stampers Anonymous in Cleveland, okay. And I have a show before. I've got a show in Akron the week before, and then the week after I'm at Novi, okay? So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the 2nd, 3rd, 4th of May is all about stamping, okay? Everything to do with stamping. It's at the classroom here at Stampers Anonymous, and each place has access to a heat tool. Have I just put mine? I don't know where I've put it. So we can do all sorts. We can do embossing, we can do the ultra thickening using all the rocks and everything like that. We're going to be doing masking. These are some that I did for a class, an online class. So to give you the idea, so we're going to be doing lots of masking because I have every single stamp there is here. So we're going to be learning things like this. We're going to be embossing. I can't show you a lot because I've got a release next week and loads of it is in the release, and I can't really, it's going to be exciting anyway. Everything I want to show you, there's something else next to it, so it's really, I can't hold it up to show you. But we're going to be stamping because we are at the mothership, obviously. So everything to do with stamps, you don't need to bring anything. I would bring your pens that you journal with. I like to use a black and white Posca 1MR, so black and white Posca 1MR. I also would bring a pencil. I like a fine point pen as well. This is a 0.5. This is a uni pin, but you could use a micron or a stapler. Pencil, ruler, everything else. I have everything, okay? I have everything here for you. That's all you need to bring. So don't be coming in with great big bags of stuff because you don't need it. I've got it all for you, okay? So that's the first weekend. Excuse me. The second weekend is going to be the last weekend in July, which is the 25th, the 26th and the 27th of July. So again, it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, I can't tell you a lot about this workshop, except it's going to be so exciting because it's top secret, because the product hasn't been released. I've got a whole line. I can give you a little hint, but I can't really say what it is. So it's top secret. I'm okaying the product this week, so it will be here for them. And snooze you lose. It's going to be great. It's going to be really, really fun. I'm really excited. I've waited quite a lot of years for this. So that's what we're going to be doing. So that's 25th, 26th, 27th of July. Okay. So there's one in May, there's one in July. I thought I'd release them both at the same time, because normally I do 2 back to back and people book on both, and I'm only doing 2 single ones. So it's up to you if you want to do that. At Stampers Anonymous here, we have a massive screen, I have a microphone, we have a purpose-built classroom for you to work at that has electric to every single point. We have a cafeteria downstairs where we have lunch. So we're in Cleveland, Ohio. Downtown, hotel's 5 minutes away downtown. If you stay downtown, there's everything. There's all sorts to do. You can go to the stadium, but there's shops, there's restaurants, there's everything. Or you can stay out more near the airport, which is about a 20-minute ride away. And I know a lot of people get Airbnbs here as well. But if you stay near Stampers Anonymous themselves, there's not a lot on. There's a bit more in an industrial area. We feed you, so we give you a little snack for breakfast, not a lot, fruit, bit of crumb cake. We have endless coffee, tea, soft drinks, water. So throughout the day, snacks. We feed you lunch on the Friday, lunch on the Saturday, lunch on the Sunday, and then on the Saturday evening we stay late. I stay open till about 8 o'clock, so you can catch up and you can finish off, and we serve you an early dinner as well on the Saturday evening. So there we go. The time's 9:30 for registration on the Friday. Class starts at 10. We finish at 5 on the Friday. Saturday it's about 8ish. Sunday 4 o'clock, because people want to leave to go to the airport. So there you go. All the details will be up above. You can just go, there will be a link there where you can go and book, and I will see you then. Don't forget, everything's included. Just bring your pens. If you've got a special pair of scissors that you like, bring those. But I do provide scissors, but I know some people like their own scissors, don't they? So yeah, really exciting, and I will see you in May. Okay, bye.